Luna sits surrounded by towering shelves, a sea of books and voices pressing in. She closes her book, a frown deepening as the library's clamor overwhelms her. Luna wanders through the peaceful woods, bathed in dappled sunlight and serenaded by birdsong. An ancient oak looms, a mysterious wooden door nestled in its trunk, curiosity overcoming caution. Luna knocks hesitantly on the strange door. An ancient wooden door creaks open, revealing a magical library nestled inside the hollow of a giant tree. Luna gasps in awe. Whoa! An owl librarian perched atop a tall stack of books declares, "Only those who listen may read." The forest's tranquility is shattered by the roaring approach of a bulldozer, its blade gleaming with destructive intent. Luna stands defiantly before the library tree, a lone figure against the mechanical giant. The frantic rustling of leaves and cries of forest animals amplify Luna's rising alarm. A chipmunk screams, "They're going to cut it down." Luna holds the book aloft. The forest awakens with the howl of a wolf, the river's laughter, and the hawk's wings. The workers, touched by nature's symphony, retreat into the woods. The library trees saved. Luna smiles, a triumphant warrior.